Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Am I okay? Today I am playing Speedrun. I have not played this in forever. Oh my god! Oh my god! Am I okay? Oh my god. Hello. Oh my god, I just knocked her over! Okay, let's start. Okay, let's get going. Whoa! No! Oh my god. Okay, so. Yeet! Oh my god, that person just fell off. I'm in lead right now. Oh my god! Almost just fell off. Okay. Ooh, I just had to itch my chest. Cause it kind of itchy. I know that was really weird. I shouldn't probably have said that. If my mic sounds better, please tell me because I touched the cactus. Great. We're gonna do it together. I'm gonna do it with this girl. We're gonna do it together. Oh, she fell off. Tell me guys what you want to see on Roblox now that it's back up. I'm just glad it's back up. It's so fun to now play my favorite game again. I'm just so glad it's back up. Nobody knew why it was down yesterday and the day before. I mean, now it's working perfectly. Thank goodness. Because I did not know what to do. Playing Minecraft for 2 days was so boring. I mean, I love Minecraft, but it was getting a little bit boring. Because I couldn't play Roblox and all these different games. Playing Minecraft for 2 days, it was literally getting boring. So I'm so glad to finally be able to play Roblox again. Hold on, I gotta. Okay. But I'm glad to play Roblox again. I'm sorry if I just said that repeatedly. Also, I unplugged my face cam. I might not do it more any often. I don't even know if I'm gonna ever do face cam again. Oh my god. But it will be very rare if I do face cam. Hello. Okay, I'm gonna do it together again with this girl. We're gonna work together. Oh, I just passed her. I wish I had a trail. Oh, I have 22. I'm almost close to getting one though. Oh my god, did you see me jump? You guys see that, right? Oh my god. Yes. Oh my god. No. Okay, this hurts my eyes just looking at it. Okay. So, how was your Halloween yesterday? I hope it was amazing. Hope you had fun trick-or-treating. I had fun, for sure. Okay. Please don't die. Ooh, yes! Oh, I actually really like this one. I see a person over there. I cannot run them. They're so far away. I see penguins. I don't wanna disturb them. Yeah, I'm not gonna be able to make it to them on time. Oh, I love this one. Did we both just die? My phone just vibrated. I just felt it. Oh, I love this one. It's so fun. I don't know why, but the regular speed run makes you higher. Makes you, like, taller. No! I just died! Nope. Keep dying. Okay. Okay. I might only show my face in vlogs. If that's okay with you, I might not show my face on gaming videos anymore. But I'm not even sure if I'm gonna be doing vlogs. Cause this is called Gamer Jack Z Gamer, and it's about gaming and stuff, so I'm not sure if I'm exactly gonna do vlogs. I just died. Oh no! Oh no! Oh my god. Hi. See this person here. I'm not able to skip it, so I have to do this one. I'm not able to skip this, so if I wanted to, like, if I could, I would. And if we didn't, imagine if Roblox didn't have any Robux and everything was just, like, free. Could you imagine all the stuff we would have? Okay. As you guys know, I'm a Roblox YouTuber. I always play Roblox. It'll be very rare because I do have Minecraft again, so tell me if you guys want to see some more Minecraft videos. Maybe not any updates on my iCarly apartment. I could get a trail. I could get a trail. I'm going to get the white circle one. Okay. Whoa, I love this. I love this. Ah! But this one's really, really cool. I actually like this one a lot. No! Okay. That's cool. That's cool. I can do it more. No! Yeah, but probably when I'm an adult, I'm probably not going to start showing my face more as often as I used to. I used to show my face every time I would record. This channel didn't used to be about gaming a lot. We would gaming at sometimes, but this channel never used to be a lot about games. But now it is. For sure games. Wait till you see my first video with this mic. Literally. I've used this mic for a long time now. Oh. Oh, look how far I've been! Okay, where am I? Oh my god, level 10? I'm already looking on the board over there. You see there, the board where it says all your levels on? That's where I looked. I just fell. I would love to skip level, but you guys know I couldn't. I don't have a lot of Robux left. I spent it all. I literally have 18 Robux left, and skip is 440. Oh my freaking god! Skipping's a lot. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh! I made it! Yeah. Oh my god, that guy just died. Okay. We were gonna do it together because that's what we were doing. We were doing it together. We beat the level together. Well, he beat a couple minutes before me, but still, we were doing it together. Now I'm ahead of him. No! Yeah, I'm probably gonna do level 12. And then probably be done. I kind of fixed my mic a little bit. That scream! I honestly don't care if any people are in front of me. I just want to win this level. Oh my god. Okay. We can do this! 11 minutes of recording. I gotta get premium soon so I can record as long as I want. Okay. Ooh, I love this level. This level is actually really, really pretty. We're definitely doing this. Last level, and then I might do a part 2. And 3. And that matters. I can only record for like 15 minutes. Let's just hope it doesn't reach the maximum time. Oh my god. Yeah, see, I don't really like my face. I don't really like doing face cam anymore. Okay, maybe we can do this with just one more level. So, guys, what did you guys do while Roblox was down? I was playing Minecraft, which was not really as fun as Roblox is. I'm sorry for all you Minecraft people who are watching, but I just don't think Minecraft is as fun as Roblox. Okay, maybe just one more level. Ah! Okay, I actually really like this level. It's actually kind of cool. First time I made it this far. Like, I literally stop at, like, level 10. This would... do you guys watch Popular MMOs and Gaming with Jen? This messed her up. I'm actually glad I made it to the end. So, guys, I'm actually going to end it here. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, smash that like button, comment, subscribe. Bye!